After installation, connect the power supply first, 3 live wires and 1 neutral wire. A green light indicates correct wiring, a red light indicates incorrect wiring. Simply swap any 2 live wires to fix this. Once the power is connected and the emergency stop is released, the indicator light will turn on. Turn on the ozone switch on the first panel to activate the ozone system. Turn on the second switch to start the conveyor. The conveyor speed, frequency, can be adjusted via the panel. Turn on the third switch to activate the air control system. Turn on the fourth switch to activate the water pump.